Okay, this video goes along with your participation worksheet for discrete random variables, and it is the last question here. A charitable organization is running a raffle as a fundraiser. They offer a grand prize of $500, 2 second prizes of $100, and 10 third prizes of $20 each. They plan to sell 1,000 tickets. What is the average amount of money won with each ticket in the raffle, and what is the standard deviation? So to find expected value, it is going to be the mean of the probability distribution. So that would be step one, to go ahead and get that set up. So you can pause the video and try that on your own. To start you off, I'm just going to make a little table here, and we can put this all in GeoGebra actually to figure out the answers for both of these things. And you're going to write down your random variable here, which is going to be the prize money. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled that in. We have 500, 100, and we also have a $20 winning. We also have if they lose, so that would be 0. But when we multiply that through, it'll just end up being 0. But just have that there to show you how to set it up. So there's one grand prize, and there's 1,000 tickets. So my grand prize I would write as 1/1,000, and so on and so forth for the rest of them. So go ahead and fill that in. Okay, so here is the distribution. You're just going to go ahead and divide everything out for the probabilities. You can put them in as decimal, and then I'll show you how to enter that into GeoGebra. So you're going to go into GeoGebra Classic, and then you're going to want to see this spreadsheet. So you can click here to open that back up. You can do View and Spreadsheet. And then you're going to just go ahead and enter in the information that you figured out here. We're going to do 2 columns because it's a distribution, but it's still one variable analysis, not 2 variable. It's just 2 columns because it's a weighted mean and weighted standard deviation. You can do this along with me if you want, or try it after. There we go. So I just entered the values in, and then I highlight, and then I hit the one variable analysis. Okay, and then from there I want to, I'm going to make this big so we can see it better. We want to hit the statistics for this. Okay, so go ahead and pick my one variable analysis, and then I hit my show statistics. And I can find my mean here, which is the same thing as expected value, is 0.9. And my sample is actually the full population for this question because it's just a raffle and it's including all the information, and we really just have the population showing. You can see here where the sample just doesn't have the data. So it would be 16.5285. You could do it out by hand using the formula at the top of the page, but this is a much more efficient way. But the key thing is when you do the side-by-side columns, you have to hit one variable statistics, and then over here, then you're going to choose mean for the expected value, your average amount of money won with each ticket would be 90 cents. And then the standard deviation is 16.5285 is the deviation. So I hope that is helpful on how to do this technique using GeoGebra instead of using the long formulas, because if you have bigger sets, it will be really helpful.